All right, hello friends, welcome back to a DIY. Today we are doing these Lego cabinets, and I actually made these over a year ago, but I'm just now kind of posting it, so whatever. The first thing that I did was I actually put together the cabinets just to do like a proof of concept, and this wasn't the right call. Because once you put together the cabinets, it's almost impossible to take them apart again to paint them or to stain them or to prime them or whatever else you want to do with them. However, I mean, they work, right? Like that looks like a Lego. So I'm overall very, very happy. The pegs, I think, are just wooden coasters that I got on Amazon, and I think they look great. I decided to prime the cabinets versus sanding them, and I will show you why I don't think that that was the best call. The internet told me that I didn't have to sand them down, that I could just use the primer, and the paint was chipping. So I'll show you kind of what they look like at the end. I waited a long time in between the paint coats, and I don't know, they still chipped, so whatever. So this is what the cabinets look like whenever they have been primed and painted, and yeah, my proof of concepts look amazing and so good. I decided to go with a darker pink and then a lighter pink. I thought it was a nice little contrast there. Yeah, I'll try not to show too much of me actually doing the painting because I know watching paint dry is super boring, but this is what I did. And you can already see the chipping is starting to occur on the corners. And then I don't know how to like get in between the crevices over there. I tried using a small little paintbrush, and it worked in some areas and it didn't work in others. So if you're trying to be like a professional and have this look completely perfect, definitely do all of your priming and painting and sanding, all of that before you put the cabinets together. And then I actually tried to use a ruler and some calculations and some geometry to figure out exactly where the spacing should be for the coasters, and that was the wrong call. I mean, it didn't end up looking right, and ultimately I just kind of used my best guess. And then for the glue, I just used regular glue from the craft store. It's not super strength, it's just regular child's glue. And this actually worked really, really well. I didn't have an issue with it sticking. All right, and here she is. Here's the final look. I think she looks great. She looks just like the Lego bricks would, and this is my vision. I think it looks fantastic. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments.